Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. Today I'll be showing you how to activate a Wi-Fi hotspot using your iPhone 13 Pro. First, open the Settings app, and go to Personal Hotspot. At the top, you can allow others to join, and then you can set a password. This is the password that they will put in whenever they find your phone as the Wi-Fi source. If the device that you're trying to connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot isn't showing your phone, you can use maximum compatibility, but it may affect the performance of your internet connection. And that is how to use a Wi-Fi hotspot on the iPhone 13 Pro.